Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lottery Miner. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this open, note that it's going to have instructions, and that's the key here is we're going to need to follow our instructions to make sure that we connect it properly to an account, because at the end of the day this is just a lottery machine essentially for Bitcoin. So what you're going to try and do is hope to hit the lottery at a very low cost. The idea is that this thing's going to run constantly in the background, and you'll have a USB A to USB-C charging port, and it's going to be a USB-C charger or charging port, I'm sorry, USB A to USB-C charging cable, and we're just going to plug this thing in and kind of walk you through it a little bit. But we're just going to plug it in for starters. And it's going to give you a QR code. You need to set up your Wi-Fi, all that stuff. I can't really show that process because it does require, I'm not allowed to show QR codes in these videos, but it does require you to set it up through that. So just the first thing you're going to do is configure your Wi-Fi to this using the app. Or the process of that QR code. And so you'll have to join the Jingle Miner network is kind of what the process is with that. Then you'll just configure your Wi-Fi. After that, it's going to ask you to navigate from your PC to a specific web address so you can configure everything and connect it to your network. All right, so once you've connected that, you'll actually log into your address and you'll find your mining pool information, your pool URL, the port. You'll want to add your own wallet in there because that's where it's going to send the money. Change your time zone if needed. And then you're going to want to select a number of different, you got to select at least 3, but a number of different cryptocurrencies here. I think you can select up to 12. So, find whatever you're looking for, what you like, all that stuff, and go from there. And it defaults to 1 day for the period. It's up to you what you want to do, 1 day, 7 days, 5 minutes, whatever. 1 day seemed fine for me. And you can then just save your settings. And once you finish entering all your information, just hit save. It'll give you a settings saved, and then it'll just restart and you're done. So that is literally it. There's a lot of information that you may or may not want to know. I'm not going to go into the details because honestly the whole idea of this is that it's a super fast setup that just runs in the background. So to me, this kind of thing is totally worth buying. You've got your time on here, the temperature of this device. You've got something else I want to point out. On the back, you've got 2 buttons. The top one resets it. The bottom one just changes the screen. So on the screen, and I'm sorry that it's kind of far away here, but I'm plugged in. It'll show you kind of the current information as far as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, it looks like. Hit it again, and it'll take you to kind of your mining hashtag or information, your million hashes, the block templates, your difficulty, submitted shares, all that stuff. And again, all the kilohertz per second that's running. So to me, again, this is just something you leave on in the background and let it go and never think about it again. So definitely worth buying to me because, again, it's a small investment for a big payout. So hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.